Hello friends, welcome to Ella Naturals. Here I talk about everything natural, especially hair. I show you how you can grow healthy hair, products to use on your hair, and how to prepare DIY products that gives you a better result. So keep watching because today is another hair video. I'm super excited today because I'm going to show you how I make my natural shampoo. And this shampoo leaves your hair shiny, soft, and healthy. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this preparation. I have 4 ingredients as you can see on the screen, and I'm going to tell us the benefits of these products to your hair. So I have Shikakaya, known as soap pod or hair fruit. It is an effective hair detangler and it prevents split ends. It also promotes hair growth. It prevents dandruff, lice, itchy scalp, and also it makes your hair softer and shiny. It also nourishes hair follicles. This is a great source of vitamin C and a potent Ayurvedic remedy for healthy long hair. I also have Rita, which is known as soapnuts. It has similar effects with Chikakaya. It is a great cleanser and a softener. It also prevents irritation and the itchy scalp. It promotes hair growth as well and leaves your hair shiny. It has anti-inflammatory effects. Another ingredient here is Amla, which is called Indian gooseberry. It strengthens the hair, it prevents premature graying, it promotes healthy hair growth and reduces hair loss. It is a great hair conditioner. The last ingredient here is Fenugreek Seeds, and I've talked about it in my previous videos, so you can check it out. It also has similar effects with other ingredients and is optional. You can also make your research about these 4 ingredients. They are very effective on hair, especially when you are suffering from hair loss, premature graying, itchy scalp, and the split ends, and dandruff, as well as lice. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to soak these ingredients and allow them to sit for 24 hours. So this is day 1. And here is day 2. You can see it's darker compared to how it was the previous day. It's now soapy and foamy. So I'm going to transfer this into the pot and I will be cooking it for a few minutes. So I'm going to turn it off now. You can cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I like to cook for some time. You can see I'm squeezing out the juice from it. And the more you squeeze it, the more soapy and foamy it becomes. I'm going to strain it now by using my muslin bag. I also needed to restrain it in order to make sure that there is no particle in the juice. Hooray! My shampoo is ready. So this is my shampoo. It's ready to be used. I transferred it to my applicator bottle for easy use. You can also prepare this shampoo using the powder form of these 4 ingredients. Regular use of this shampoo will eliminate all hair and the scalp related issues, and it makes your hair darker and softer. So that's it guys, see you in my next video, and if you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section below. Bye.